Meaning of ice dancer.
Ice dancer.
Ice dancer.
Ice dancer.
Ice dancer. Ice dancer typically refers to a type of competitive figure skater who performs routines with a partner on ice. The sport emphasizes grace, fluidity, and intricate footwork, with competitors often wearing elegant costumes and performing to music. Ice dancing has its origins in ballroom dancing, and competitions are usually judged on technical skill, artistry, and musical interpretation. The sport requires a high level of physical fitness, balance, and coordination, as well as the ability to communicate and work closely with a partner. Successful ice dancers often spend years training and competing at elite levels.